Hi everyone, this is Tess and welcome to my dance tutorial. Ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay yung Angelina from TikTok, which was requested by Jolly. Ayon, hello Jolly! Sana magustuhan mo itong aking dance tutorial. My dance tutorial is composed of two parts. The first part is the step-by-step tutorial, while the second part is the slowed music tutorial. At bago ang lahat, please don't forget to click the subscribe button in my YouTube channel, as well as follow me in my Facebook page and Instagram, Tess Consulta. Please also hit like if you like this video. This is a mirror tutorial, so please imitate my movements as you face me. Please also allow me to promote our upcoming show, which is the restaging of Homebound the Musical. This will be on December 13 at Universidad de Santa Isabel Auditorium, 10 a.m., 1:30 p.m., and 5 p.m. Isa ako sa cast ng theater musical show na to. Ako si Ate Guard. Ate Guard yung aking character at tunghayan ninyo ang kwento ng aking buhay. Ayan. So, kita-kits tayo December 13 at USI Auditorium. So, let's start the tutorial. First set of steps, hand movements muna tayo. Yung arms mo, ilagay mo siya sa ganitong position sa harap mo, chest level. Ganyan siya. So it may be right over left or left over right, whichever is comfortable for you, do it. Kasi pareho lang naman yung effect niya. Okay? After this, ibukas mo siya. So, nasa side na yung dalawa mong kamay, parang ganito, para siyang chicken wings. After that, ibalik mo ulit. And then, bukas uli. And then, balik uli. Tapos, sunod niyan, etong right hand mo, tataas siya ng ganyan. Left hand, bababa. Tapos, palit. Tapos, palit. At palit. Okay? So, parang gumaganon-ganon lang sila. Nagwe-wave. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Paa naman, you're going to start na ganito yung paa mo, medyo magkadikit ng konti. Tapos bukas, ipopoint yung right foot mo going to the right side. And then, sara. Tapos, point ng left foot mo going to the left side. And then, close. Tapos, march. Start with your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Pagsabay natin yung paa at kamay, so it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. And, etong first set na to, uulitin lang naman siya. Same din. Okay? Second set of steps, left hand mo, lagay mo siya dito sa middle ng chest mo. Ganyan. Tapos yung right hand mo, parang magre-reach out sa audience. Ganyan. So, ganito yung hitsura ng kamay. Okay? Tapos yung shoulders mo magmo-move up and down. So, the counting would be 1 and 2. And then after that, snap your fingers, both hands. Dito, ka-level ng ulo mo. Okay? After that, dito naman sa kabila. Right hand, siya naman yung nasa middle ng chest mo. Tapos, left hand, siya naman yung para magre-reach out sa audience. Ganyan yung position ng kamay. Okay? And mag-move uli yung shoulders up and down. The counting would be 1 and 2. And then, snap again ng dalawa mong kamay using your fingers. Okay? Now, count off tayo. So, it's going to be like this. 1 and 2. Snap. 3, 4, and 5, 6. Paa naman. Left foot. Parang ipopoint mo siya going to the left side. Tapos, parang magsusway lang siya according to the movement of your shoulders. So, sasabay lang yung body mo. Parang nakasupport lang yung dalawang paa. Ayan. Okay? And then, straighten both of your legs. Gawin mo naman dito sa kabila. 1 and 2, straighten both of your legs. Again, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Gawin natin ng sabay yung paa at kamay. So it's going to be like this. 1 and 2, 3. 4 and 5, 6. Okay? Now, let's have it from the top. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay? Third set of steps. Ito naman, parang magpapakyut ka lang. Hand movements ulit. Right hand, parang yung buhok mo kunwari, nilalagay mo sa may ears mo. Ganyan, hinahawi mo siya. And then do the same on the other side. Tapos, close fist. Cross your arms in front of you like this. Tapos, open and drop both of your hands at the side. Okay? Now, again, hawi. 1, 2, cross. 3, 4. Paa naman, it's going to be like this. Magpo-point lang yung left foot mo going to the left side. Tapos parang magli-lean a little yung katawan mo going to the left side. So parang 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So yung paa mo, magpo-point towards the front tapos balik. So point, 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 back. Okay? Pagsabayin natin yung paa at kamay, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, after this, yung sunod na steps would be like this. Tatalon ka lang naman. Talon. Tapos, pagbagsak ng dalawa mong paa, dapat feet apart na siya. And then, yung kamay mo naman, ganito yung position. Left hand, nandito sa ilalim ng siko ng right arm mo. Tapos right hand, andito sa may baba. Tapos bend both of your knees a little ng ganyan. And then magsusway yung hips mo. Going to the right, to the left, and to the right na double, ganyan. Tapos sway to the left, to the right, and to the left double. Jump and sway, sway, double, double, sway, sway, double, double. Okay? So, let's have it from the top. Slow counting lang tayo. So, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. And that's the end of it.